Fellow explorers, please remain seated throughout the entire expedition. There is no smoking, eating, or drinking inside of the submarine. And if you do wish to take any photos at all, please do not use flash. Also, if you look up at the very front of the sub, we have a celebrity on board. Little Miss Minnie Mouse is with us today.
See how the guy stands up there?
All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you on board. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat.
Rescue readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks. Let's take her down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Troop out diving planes, 3 degrees.
Trimming our diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Take it down easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 at 1/2 knots.
06 at 1/2.
Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead full.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
See the big clam?
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off and hold at 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
I see.
Easy to grab.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Come aboard, explorers! Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers. It's time to go.
Nemo, want to ride some tasty waves? Sure, sure. Where? PAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa, like, whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the PAC.
Nemo! Oh, lost again! Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. Put her head standard.
Aye, aye.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Hey, Dad, I got Nemo.
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin!
This is fun. We're gonna hit the
Nemo! Nemo! This is not funny, and I'm no funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken spot. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo!
where?
No way, that's why I'm trying to find
By who?
my son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember.
Morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry, I'm not going to eat you, at least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Like their mates. Easy does it. You want one of these balloons.
Secure stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
He's twirling. What are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race you there. Okay, go.
Watch those.
Dory?
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
Closer. That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
catch one. Jellyfish! Going sideways, Dave! Right to a party. Let's go!
I love parties! I found the hot tub!
It's not about finding the hot tubs. It's about finding. I found you. I'm so worried. We're alive. We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo, say something.
Do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico!
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Noggin.
Nemo! Check out all the whales! Sandy Plankton, he says the whales are eating krill! Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale!
Does that smell kind of whalish to you? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight, I'm gonna... Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Why? Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Should I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
We are currently in negotiations with Sandy Plankton to get our spot back on the dock. For now, please remain seated and we will be moving again momentarily.
Dad, why is there a ship in water?
Sometimes they sink, but
When people are in them?
usually they get out.
On behalf of all of us here at the Institute, I'd like to thank you for exploring with us today. And we do hope you enjoy the rest of your time here at the happiest place on earth.
Station to maneuvering watch. Rig ship for mooring.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29er. Stand by to dock.
All ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail. All ashore, please. Check you later.